Currently, a YouTube channel focused on kitchen decor can be fantastic platform to inspire and educate viewers on how to transform their kitchen into stylish and functional space. Whether it's a cozy farmhouse kitchen, a sleek modern design, uh, uh, or a rustic culinary human kitchen decor will provide valuable insight, tips, and creating ideas to make the heart of the home more beautiful. Affection. The relay name of kitchen decor. Your channel can offering a wide array of connecting, containing, containing in the kitchen. Realm of kitchen decor of channel offering wide of uh, contenting showcase different kitchen to provide viewers the real life of inspiration, explore of range of design style from minimalistic and sandwich to traditional electric, offer insight into the choice of color scheme, material, and furniture. Share step-by-step tutorials and creating die decor items for the kitchen. This might include patterning technique, cabinet upgrades, wall art of custom stores solutions. Help your viewers declutter or organize their kitchen absolutely offer practical advice of optimizing store space and maintaining a tidy kitchen environment. Provide in the depend viewers of kitchen appliances and gadgets offering without breaking the bank. Discuss thrift shopping, calling and repairings are achieved to stylish and cost-effective transformation. Explore the relationship between kitchen decor and cooking. Discuss how a well-designed kitchen can the cooking experience and inspire creative in the culinary realm. Share ideas and decor the kitchen around different